Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're covering the latest update on OpenAI, ticker symbol OPEN in private markets, one of the most talked about companies in the artificial intelligence sector this month. OpenAI recently hit a staggering $500 billion valuation following a secondary share sale in early October 2025. According to a Reuters report, current and former employees sold around $6.6 billion worth of shares in that deal, marking a new milestone for the company behind ChatGPT and the GPT-5 ecosystem. This valuation cements OpenAI among the top 5 most valuable privately held technology firms globally. In pre-IPO trading platforms like Upmarket and Forge Global, OpenAI shares are now priced around $720 to $750 each, representing a market-level increase of nearly 40% in just the past 3 months. Investors are showing intense interest thanks to OpenAI's expanding enterprise partnerships, which include deeper integrations with Microsoft Azure and IBM's hybrid cloud tools. Financially, OpenAI generated $4.3 billion in revenue in the first half of 2025, about 16% higher than the total for all of last year. Analysts predict that the company could approach $10 billion in annual revenue if its upcoming GPT 5.5 launch and ChatGPT business tool perform as expected. Now let's talk about trading strategy. Since OpenAI isn't publicly traded yet, investors can gain indirect exposure through companies linked to its ecosystem, mainly Microsoft, which owns roughly 49% of OpenAI's for-profit arm. Traders can also look at semiconductor and AI infrastructure plays such as AMD and NVIDIA, which continue to benefit from AI hardware demand. For those active in the private equity space, experts suggest being cautious near current levels. At $700 to $750 per share, valuations assume robust growth and a near-term IPO window within the next 12 to 18 months. Secondary investors might prefer to wait for slight pullbacks toward the $600 range before entering, as liquidity remains thin and price discovery is limited outside institutional platforms. In summary, OpenAI's latest rally reflects massive investor confidence in the AI revolution. But remember, pre-IPO stocks come with higher risk and lower liquidity. Long-term believers should stay focused on strategic exposure rather than chasing these short-term spikes. That's all for today's OpenAI stock update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights and daily tech analysis.